Hey y'all, we back up. They had a red flag. I went and got a tire, changed it. I don't know what air pressure's in it, but I know it's good. I don't know if it's good air pressure, or the right air pressure, but she's back in the race. So, wake up. Don't go to sleep. Got a red flag, got a car on fire. Car on fire. Car is burning. Car is burning. Okay, they got it. Partially burnt. Looks like a Civic, maybe, hatchback. Just a little char on the interior, but it's still working condition. Make offers. Huh? I don't know. Where? Winning?
No. Hit me.
Oh, hit you? I know, man. There's a few of them out here that need some driving lessons. But if you say, if you say something to them, they be like, I don't know what you're talking about. I guess they're gonna call a race. All right, so they calling the race. So Mama got 1, 2, 3, 4. She got 5th. Yeah, she got 5th. So not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. All right. You want to go talk to the driver? I bet she feels better this time than what she did last time. Hey, wave to the camera. She's smiling now. GoPro wasn't on it though, because the GoPro come off in the wreck when she touched the wall. So y'all